Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to set up Tor Browser in 5 minutes. Tor Browser can be a privacy lifesaver or a quick way to accidentally do something dumb with confidence. So here's the beginner safe setup in 5 minutes. We're going to download the real thing, set the right security level and avoid common mistakes. What Tor is. Tor routes your traffic through multiple relays so websites have a much harder time linking activity back to you. It reduces tracking and protects your IP location better than normal browsing, but it's not magic. If you log into your real accounts, you're still you. Step 1, we want to download Tor Browser from the official site only. So you want to go to torproject.org, download the Tor Browser and choose what system you're using, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Android. And fake installers are a thing, so don't just Google a download and freestyle this. It's not worth the risk. If a download site asks you to install extra helpers or download managers, then that's not Tor, that's a trap with a logo. Step 2, we are going to launch Tor. So open up the Tor browser that you've just downloaded. And when you first open it, it will give you the option to connect or configure connection. So most people will just click connect. But if Tor is blocked where you are, you can choose configure connection and use a bridge. Bridges help when networks try to block Tor. And don't worry, if you don't know what a bridge is, don't touch it unless Tor won't connect. So we will hit connect. And then as you can see in the top right hand corner, it is now telling us we are connected. Step 3, set the security level. So to do this, you want to go up to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner, scroll down to settings, and then over to privacy and security on the left hand side. Then you want to scroll down until you see security level and select change. Now the 3 options here, standard is fine for normal use, but it allows more web features. Safer blocks some risky stuff like certain scripts that are commonly abused, and safest is maximum lockdown but breaks more websites. So for beginners, I think safer is the sweet spot. So we will select safer and then save and restart. And once we've restarted, we can click connect and we can make it full screen again. And if we go to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner again, then scroll down to settings, over to privacy and security, and scroll down, you will see that our security level is now set to safer. Step 4, do not install random extensions. Leave Tor browser stock. No ad blocker packs, no VPN extensions, and no speed boosters. Tor is a privacy tool and extensions can become fingerprints. So the more unique your browser setup, the easier you are to identify. Step 5, we want to check our Tor connection. Just a quick sanity check. So go to check.torproject.org in the address bar. And once we visit here, we want to see, congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor. This confirms you're actually on Tor and not just feeling secure. Step 6, this is the safety part. Here are the big mistakes that blow privacy. Don't log into your real personal accounts. If you sign into Gmail or Instagram, you just told the website exactly who you are. Don't download and open documents directly, PDFs, Word files. If you must download something, open it carefully offline because documents can make outside connections. And don't use torrents over Tor. It's slow, it's rude to the network, and it can leak data. Tor protects the root. You still control the behavior. Also about using a VPN with Tor. You don't need a VPN to use Tor, and for beginners, I would skip the VPN. Fewer moving parts and fewer mistakes. More tools doesn't always mean more privacy. And that's Tor set up in a beginner-friendly way. Official download, connected, security level to safer, no extensions, verified that it's working, and avoid the classic mistakes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.